In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add two-step verification on your Gmail. If you want to make your Gmail account more secure, turning on two-step verification is one of the best things you can do. It adds an extra layer of protection, so even if someone gets your password, they still won't be able to access your account without the second verification step. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the setup process using an authenticator app. To begin, open your browser and go to your Google account settings page. Once you're there, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Security and Sign In. This is where Google keeps the main settings related to account protection, passwords, and sign-in methods. Next, find and click on Two-Step Verification. Google may ask you to confirm your identity before continuing, which is completely normal since you're changing an important security setting. When prompted, type in your password carefully, then click Next to continue. After that, you'll arrive at the two-step verification setup area. Look for the option that says Add Authenticator App and click it. This method is useful because it generates time-based verification codes on your phone, which can be more secure and convenient than relying only on text messages. Now click on Set up Authenticator. Google will display a QR code on your screen. At this point, take your phone, open your Authenticator app, and use it to scan the QR code shown on your computer. Make sure you scan the code clearly so the account is added correctly. Once the code has been scanned, click Next. Your Authenticator app will now generate a 6-digit code for your Google account. Return to the setup screen on your computer and type in that 6-digit code exactly as it appears in the app. These codes usually refresh every few seconds, so if one expires, just enter the new one currently showing. Once you've entered the code, click Verify. This lets Google confirm that your Authenticator app is connected properly and working as expected. If the verification is successful, you'll be taken to the final confirmation step. To finish, click Turn On next to the option to turn on two-step verification. Once you do that, the feature will be activated for your Gmail account. And that's it. Your Gmail account now has an extra layer of security. As a final tip, make sure you keep access to your phone and Authenticator app because you'll need them the next time Google asks for a verification code during sign-in.